Human brains work very uniquely and also function very similarly. The belief model is a tool to help us see what's happening in our minds from a place of non-judgment. Our models are personal. You can only use it for yourself. You can certainly share this tool with anyone, but you cannot create anyone else's model. Here's how it works. This is going to blow your mind. It did mine. The belief model. Circumstance, a fact or something that can be proven. Thought, a belief or sentence we continue to think, sometimes without noticing, oftentimes. Our brain has 60,000 thoughts per day. We run them constantly. Feeling, a vibration in our body created by our thoughts that starts here and moves through our body. Action, what you do or don't do because of a feeling. And result, how this model shows up in your life. The result is always tied back to the thought line. This framework does not control life. It helps us understand how we respond to life and helps us be intentional about what we want. When we stop judging ourselves harshly during challenging moments, data shows we stay engaged, we create more meaningful connections and experiences. Why this matters? We are reclaiming our mental energy so that we can reclaim our physical energy. What we think repeatedly impacts how we feel in our body, which impacts our physicality or our actions. I'm going to give you 5 questions to explore for reclaiming energy, but first I'm going to give you a couple tidbits about the model. It always stays in this order, as you see at the bottom, CTFAR. One circumstance, one thought, one feeling for each model. Actions can be as many as you take from the feeling, and only one result. This is a non-judgmental roadmap for you having awareness to what's happening around you. Here are 5 questions. I want you to write them down. What do you spend your mental energy on? No judging. Where do you feel emotions in your body? Here, here, here. Maybe your legs. Wherever is okay for you. What thoughts make you feel mentally energized? What thoughts zap your energy? How much do you believe that you can reclaim mental energy, which will enhance your physical energy every day? Answering those questions should be a timed response, or else we won't answer them and think about them. Our brains learn quickly. So if you start writing and you're triggered, just stop. Come back to it another time or another day. Your brain learns very quickly. After you have your answers, have some fun plugging and playing with the model. Find some facts, put them in the circumstance line. See if there's feelings there. Plug it in a feeling line. Notice the sentences and thinking that run through our brains. Those are our beliefs. What actions maybe have you taken? What result has this produced? This is all non-judgmental. It's all a way for us to say, oh, what I learned is that a lot of times I wanted to meet certain results, but I was not taking actions to get there. And mostly it was because I didn't want to feel the feeling. And that's okay. Some days we're up for it, some days we aren't. This is fun. Remember, the result is always tied back to our thinking. This isn't about judging ourselves. It's about reflecting on our thinking, feelings, and actions. And lastly, you can have fun with this model. And if you want to create change, you can do an intentional model. A lot of times we run unintentional models in our mind. An intentional model says, hey, let's start with the result I want. Work it backwards. What actions will I need to take? Maybe you can come up with 5. What feeling will I have to feel to take those actions? And sometimes we are surprised that the feeling we think we want to feel won't take us to those actions or that result. What thought will I have to think to create a feeling? This is where understanding how we're thinking, we can notice how thoughts create our feelings. For example, when I get embarrassed, it's because of what I'm thinking about the situation I'm in. This belief model is a tool for awareness. It's for creation. It's for self-compassion. It helps you feel every feeling with grace while building the life you want. Thank you for watching. Please reach out with any questions. I'm absolutely here to support you.